I bought something from Kelz site, and Kelz Kitchen is the one that I've done the collabs with my Aunt Jean, the Dollar Tree, so check it out. Okay, so anyways, it's actually called Kelz Mel Joy. I'll put a link to her website, and yes, I'll blur out my address. All right, probably don't really care anyways, but she has the fun postcards and stickers and some neat little mystery ones that if you watched she had sent. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I ordered. I ordered a couple things, and just to kind of give you an idea, and I wanted to promote her because she's such a neat person. And so it comes packaged usually, and this one's a cute little package, and there's a sticker on here. It says, "Opening this package will cause extreme happiness." So I picked these particular stickers out for a reason, and I had a thought in mind, but I'm going to share with you guys to show you my fun stuff. So she sends, we'll go ahead and take that out. So what I got here, she got the invoice, but a thank you. It says, "We are nothing without you. Thank you for your order, Kelz Mel Joy." And it says, "Thank you for your order. Your order made our day. We hope we make yours. If you have any questions about your order, contact us anytime. We'd love to hear from you." So this is what they put in there. It's really sweet. So I ordered 3 sets of kind of a mystery sets. There were some fun ones. So one set is Super Mario Brothers. That's going to go to my stepson and his family. The other one was a mystery destination stickers, and I'm going to send that one to my son, Boston, because he likes to travel. And then I've got, you can't see it, let me see if I can move it, but it's a mystery Star Wars one, and that is going to go to a friend of mine. So you can see the Star Wars. So there's, let's just open one of them. I'll do the Star Wars one, because I'm going to send it to my friend Lisa. She loves Star Wars, and I just thought it'd be kind of fun, and she'd probably like it a lot. So I have this idea for my son who likes to travel and has been all over the world, and one of his favorite places is Japan. So I have some Japanese candy that I need to send to him and some other stuff. So I've got some Stormtrooper stuff. This is cool. Oh, and Darth Vader. How cute. Okay, so there's 5 stickers. The first one is this one. Super cute. She'll love that. She loves coffee. And that one. Check it out. Darth Vader. So cute. Another one. And the last one. So they're super cute. And this again is just a mystery pack that didn't cost that much. I mean, I'll tell you how much this one was, and I'll put her link below if you want to check her out. She has postcards, stickers. She has a whole bunch of stuff. It's not, it's just some fun things. And her mystery ones, if you go back and look at my mystery one that I received from her, she's got those unboxing mystery boxes. It was pretty fun. It was pretty neat. She sent some really cute stuff in there. But this one, okay, so this doesn't have the pricing on it, but it didn't cost very much. I think for all 5 sets, with shipping, it was like $20 or less. So it wasn't very much money. And they're super cute. And these particular stickers they're really a good quality sticker. So I don't think they get affected by the water and whatnot too. So they're waterproof. In fact, they say right on this, they're waterproof stickers. And I made sure that was one of the things that I was looking for, just in case somebody wanted to put it like my Yeti. I got a Yeti sticker on there. It's waterproof, so it's covering something else that was on there. I just wanted to be cool. Cool like me, right? Yeah. I know. Anyways, and you can see I'm at my workplace. I work for an automotive shop. I'm like their secretary, office manager, whatever you want to call me. So that's that. I wanted to share that. Hope everybody's having a wonderful Wednesday, and I guess until next time. Bye, guys.